Hello, Dr. Tapia and the E3 community. I am Tomas Nieto, and I will be applying for the English and ELD teacher position. I'm a San Diego native. I'm a graduate of SDSU with a BA in Interdisciplinary Studies in Sociology, English, and Rhetoric. I also have a master's degree in Equity and Social Justice in Education from SFSU. I've taught ELD and English in San Diego, San Francisco, Hawaii, and Spain. I worked with incredibly diverse student populations from all over the world. My teaching philosophy and my style of work places a strong emphasis on understanding language, literature, and composition as patterns writers and readers understand and manipulate in order to get their message across. I'm very flexible and adaptable to the ever-changing environment of education, and I'm very, very social justice and student-centered when it comes to my curriculum and my pedagogy. So why E3 for me? I really want to work at a school that empowers and uplifts students not only on a personal level, but on a professional, scholastic, and social level as well. I'm very college and career focused and making sure that my curriculum has a practical outcome. I also really want to offer relevant and impactful experiences with collaborating with my peers on field trips, internships, and the mentorship application of the E3 program. And I truly believe that this is a collaborative and innovative space that I could become a part of and truly help thrive in. Thank you so much.